Hey guys, Skyler with Peterson Toyota Accessories here. I am here with a 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It is our latest accessory build. On this guy, we went with a 3-inch REVTEK leveling kit. Every Tacoma 4Runner Tundra, we will do leveling kits on our demos. It's 3 inches in the front, 2 in the rear with new shocks, upgraded shocks in the rear. This guy also has 10-ply 275 55 20-inch NITTO Ridge Grappler tires. It's a 10-ply tire, like I said, so great for street, and it's a happy mix between an all-terrain and a mud terrain. So you're going to have a nice street tire as well as an off-roading tire. We have a 20-inch fuel Sledge wheel. This is a little bit different of a package. Usually we will put a 18-inch wheel and the 285/65 tire on there, so we decided to upgrade a little more of a street. People will say a pavement princess, but this guy's not so much off-roading as far as the wheels and tires go. Definitely went for looks on this guy. So the Sledges look awesome on the white paint. Then we mixed it up. We went with the TRD or the Toyota Factory Predator tube steps. One of my favorites, especially on the 4Runners. I feel like it complements the body. Nice aggressive look to kind of fit that whole build in. We did small things like the window tinting, so we did tint the front 2 windows to match the rear, and then a visor strip on it on the top as well. And last but not least, we did the blackout badging on the rear portion. It blacks out the Toyota, the 4Runner lettering, and then the Toyota emblem on the front as well. If you guys have any questions in regards to 4Runner accessories, Tacoma, Tundra, any vehicle on the lot, feel free to stop on by the accessory center or give us a call.